Hi, myself Shobhoshaji Kaur. I have completed my BTech in Electrical Engineering course from Future Institute of Engineering and Management. I have entered in the course in the year of 2016 and completed my BTech graduation degree in the year of 2020 with DGPA of 8.40. I have been placed in 3 companies in the course. That is, I have been placed in TCS in position of Assistant System Engineer Trainee, in Cognizant as Program Analyst Trainee, and in Extramarks as Business Development Executive. From the very first day of our course curriculum, our department has been very much efficient and very much friendly with us, and they always inspire us to not only on the course curriculums or only on the course subjects, but also out of the course knowledge and about the modern technologies and about the emerging technical fields. Besides the core subjects, we also have been taught in the sector of coding, microprocessor and microcontroller, Internet of Things, AI, etc. And besides, I have a biology background till my 12th, that is my higher secondary. But for the support of my department and my departmental faculties, coding was quite easy to learn, from the C to data structure and Java, and also they have taught R language in the semester break programs. The lab facilities of various labs, that is like circuit theory, that is like machine, power system, power electronics, control system, etc. labs were very much useful and were up to the mark, and we can apply our practical knowledge in the labs during our 4-year course curriculum, and all the faculty members and the lab assistant were very much helpful to learn, to help us on this matter. Our department has organized a couple of semester break short-term courses regarding PCB design and introduction to electrical and electronic designs in the same breaks. About coming to projects, our department has always been supported us and inspired us to apply our practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge both in the various projects, and we make a lot of projects in our 4 years curriculum. And coming to myself, I have bagged 3rd prize in Exhibit 2017 with our project Advanced Security System, and have bagged 1st prize in Projection 2018 with our project Smart Power Distribution and Billing System. As well as I have been always participated in our intra-departmental project competition projection since my 2nd year of curriculum. Coming to our senior junior relationship, there was quite a bit friendly and understandable atmosphere between the seniors and juniors, and our seniors always helped us, guide us, and inspired us for various fields. Like our senior inspired me to write a technical article, and my technical article named Alcohol Sensing Module in Accidental Prevention was published in the Field magazine in March 2018, and it have been a great achievement for me. From the first few days, I have been a member of the organizing committee of Vishwakarma Puja, as well as my departmental seminar, that is the CISPC, computational intelligence in signal power and control that was sponsored by IEEE Kolkata chapter, and it was a good experience that the professors from Jalpur University, Calcutta University, and IIST Shibpur helped us to grow our knowledge in various fields. And such program helped me to grow my personal grooming and team spirit and leadership ability in myself. The HU sessions, soft skill classes, and special crash courses helped me a lot to crack the campus interviews and I have bagged 3 job offers. The training and placement cell and placement officers have supported me immensely throughout the training campus placement race, and their support will be never been forgotten. Our college provided us a good, healthy and ragging-free environment, and especially I just loved our central library and the huge collection of magazines, our course subject books and other technical magazines. Coming to my internship days that I have gone through my last semester, I have gone through a 4 months internship with Cognizant Technology Solutions at their Bantola campus, and our training and placement cell and department supported me hugely and provide me with the online classes and online notes of my course and helped me a lot to cover my internship as well as my subjects. And besides course curriculum and studies, we have enjoyed a lot in every year in our 4 fest, that is Techno Management Fest, Sports Fest, Cultural Fest, as well as a film festival also. And it was a huge relaxation from the daily life schedule to us. I will be always grateful to all the faculty members and our college authority for what I have achieved till today and what I will be achieving in your future. Thank you.